Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create the cinematic monsoon vibe reel that's trending on Instagram. So if you want to know how to create it, watch me to create the effect using CapCut. So first up, you can just add your clips like this into CapCut, and now you can click on the transition box in between the clip and add the pull in transition. You can just click on a search bar, type in pull in. Okay, this one in here, add it into your video and adjust the duration. So I'm going to just go with the default settings and make sure that it apply to all the clip. So once the transition is applied like this, now you can just go to where the transition begin and go to effects, video effects, and find the horizontal closing effect. Horizontal close, this one in here. Add it into your clip and adjust the duration. Okay, I'm going to go in here. And now after the effect, add another one. Now add the horizontal open. This one in here. And make sure that the effects is aligned from for one to another, so it will go like this. Now just repeat the same steps for the rest of the clip. Okay, after you add all the effects, now you can just go to the filter menu and find the Moody fall filter. This one, and adjust it to 100 and apply it to all of the clips. Now go to the adjust menu, and here you can follow my settings. So for the brightness, I'll lower it a little bit to around -3, and the contrast increase it to 5, and saturations and brilliance also in 5, and increase the sharpness into around 35. Now click on the HSL and click on the green color and lower the hue into around -35, and on the yellow -41 on the hue, and the saturation increase it to 33. Okay, now click on the check icon and also make sure it apply to all of the clips. Now go back to the effects menu, add the colorless uh, flash effect, this one, and again apply it to all. Click on adjust. Now for the color, set to around 47 and the range 45, the atmosphere to 100, and the glow to around 40, and set the speed to 0. Gonna check icon, and that's it. So your video will now look like this. And that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.